Alright guys, so this is how to replace your wiring, harness, the coil, the CDI box, everything wiring except for the stator on a Piranha 140. Alright, so here's the new CDI box. It's a 5-pin. Right there's 5-pin. New coil, which my coil I don't think it's bad, but new kill switch still works on the bike, new key, and harness. So, got all the wires taken off, everything except for the kill switch, and coil on. It's kind of facing the wrong way, but that's where it got tied at, so I'm leaving it. Looks like red and black goes with red and black. Tealish goes with the tealish green, and yeah, they're all color coded correctly, so it's just plug and play, which is really nice. Now I'll get these plugged in and I'll be right back. Alright, so got those all plugged into the coil, and next is this 5-prong, goes into the CDI box. With this kit they did include the rubber grommet thing, and it slides in right on that tab, which this bike didn't have that. The CDI box was just flapping around, and it actually hit the exhaust and burned it a little bit, so let's get this on and we'll be back to show you guys that. I got the CDI box put back there. Next I'm going to go ahead and put the key on, and it goes right in this hole right here. So got everything installed. I'm going to tape these wires separate. Key, the kill switch, and all down here. I'm gonna wire everything up, make it look decent. Alright, so I have everything zip tied out of the way, make sure nothing's around any hot areas. I'm gonna put the key on and see if she'll fire up. She has gas in the float bowl, so it ought to fire up. That's how to replace the wiring harness on a Piranha 140.